There are two divisions, both for Greece and for Rome. And right away it's suspicious. It's so much symmetry here. And it's the reflection of later thinkers whittling things down into bite-sized pieces. There's a bipartite breakdown between prehistory and history. And that goes for both Greece and for Rome. And there is a tripartite breakdown of both prehistory and history. The first era of Greek prehistory is called the Minoan. The second is Mycenaean. And then thirdly, you have the so-called Dark Age of Greek prehistory. Then, with history, you have three periods: the Archaic, and then Classical, and then the Hellenistic. For Rome, prehistory requires us to get into the most detail of any of these categories. So we're going to hold off on that today and go just to history. First you have the monarchy, then you have the republic, and then you have the empire. So that's the categories that you're going to find in all of the introductory history books to ancient Greece and Rome without exception.